Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to enable Twitch drops for your viewers, a step-by-step guide. You can turn on drops on Twitch in two ways, 1, by using the Twitch dashboard, and 2, by using a Twitch extension. First, using Twitch dashboard. Go to Twitch and log into your account. Click on your profile picture at the top right corner and select Creator Dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click Viewer Rewards and select Drops. You will see an Enable Drops button. Click on it to activate the Drops feature. After enabling, you can choose which rewards you want to offer and set up how viewers can earn them. Second, using a Twitch extension. Go to Twitch and log into your account. Go to the Creator Dashboard and click Extensions from the left-hand menu. Use the search bar to find extensions related to Twitch drops. Choose an extension that allows you to manage drops and click Add to my channel. Follow the on-screen instructions to customize your drop settings. That's all from me. I hope this video was helpful and that all of you liked it. Please subscribe and comment below. Until next time, peace.